Flow Core Character gives you a modular way to build playable characters, animation states, gestures, markers, and interactions inside the Flow Core workflow. Start from the hierarchy. Right-click, choose Flow Core, and create a ready-to-configure Flow player. Create a Flow interaction target the same way, so your scene already has the two sides of an interaction. Drop in your own model, and the Character Inspector reconnects the visual model, animator, bridge, controller, and references around it. Interaction targets also support drop model, making it quick to dress interactable objects without rebuilding the setup. States organize character motion. A locomotion state can hold idle, forward, backward, strafe, diagonal, and jump clips in one reusable asset. Each clip track keeps playback settings close to the animation. Blend, speed, timing, and marker data stay easy to inspect. Speed curves give per-clip timing control over normalized clip time, with a dedicated preview before you enter play mode. Gestures layer one-shot actions on top of locomotion, with entry, main, and exit segments, priorities, tags, and conflict rules. Markers turn exact animation frames into gameplay events, from footsteps to pickup moments, and keep blended clips from firing duplicate events too quickly. Flow interaction connects the character and target. Focus, interact, play the gesture, and run graph logic from the same workflow. Flow Core 3.0 is available now on the Unity Asset Store.